Hi guys, today you are watching the raincoat and ponchos. You are watching the frog toggs, uh, different design, beautiful for kids and adults. Beautiful design for frog toggs, raincoat and upper rain suit jackets. You are watching the dog raincoat, rain jacket. You are watching another yellow color dog rain cover raincoat. You are watching yellow color three pieces raincoat rain suit for dogs. You are watching another dog raincoat for dogs. You are watching another blue color raincoat for dog. You are watching two raincoat for kids transparent. You are watching two raincoat gray color and hoodies shape. You are watching the colorful multicolor rain jackets for kids. You are watching frog dogs rain jacket for kids. You are watching another frog dogs rain jacket. You are watching beautiful colors blue, pink, yellow, um, different characters raincoat. You are watching yellow color raincoat and rain shoes. You are watching another raincoat umbrella shape with hood. You are watching another light blue raincoat rain suit upper. You are watching a rain poncho green color with hood. You are watching a blue color rain poncho umbrella shape. You are watching a pink raincoat rain poncho with hood. You are watching another plastic based rain poncho rain jacket. You are watching another rain poncho with hood. You are watching yellow color raincoat for your dog. You are watching another military USMC style raincoat. You are watching another rain poncho sea green color and huge size. You are watching another red color rain poncho huge size. You are watching sea green military color rain poncho huge size. You are watching another grey color and yellow hood. You are watching green color light green color rain jacket for dog. You are watching sea green rain poncho round shape. You are watching sea green rain poncho lightweight comfortable. You are watching a rain jacket with hood full